are done with part 1 of our advanced task. Now let us move on to part 2, that is power copy. So creating power copies, we have to click on insert, knowledge templates and power copy. So the first one is the definition tab, which lets you to assign a name to the power copy and presents its components in the 3D viewer. For example, let us take name as test and click on part body. The input tab here lets you to define the reference elements making up the power copy. You can rename these elements for a clear definition by selecting them in the viewer. So by clicking on XY plane, we can rename it as plane 1. The parameter tab lets you define which the parameter values used in the power copy you will be able to modify at instantiation time. This can be a value or a formula. For example, let us click on body part hole diameter over here and publish. Click on published name. We can rename this as hole 1. Now the documentation tab shows the complete path and the role of design tables that are for reference by an element included in the power copy. The icon tab or the properties that you modify the icon identification of the power. Here we can click and choose the subset of icons available from the icon choice button and click for envelope. The grab screen button lets you capture an image of the power copy to be stored with its definition. You can zoom in and zoom out to adjust like that, and click on the remove preview button if you don't need the image. Click on OK. You can see that a power copy is added to the specification tree, and you can double click on that to edit the power copy again. And for saving power copies into a catalog, we can select the power copy specification from the tree, click on insert and click on template knowledge templates and click on save in a catalog. So now when creating a catalog for the first time, click the button to display. Here opens a dialog box and navigate to the location where we wish to create a catalog, and then we have to simply click the open or save. And if we wish to add a power copy to an existing catalog, we have to simply activate the update existing catalog icon here and open the catalog and save in dialog box. By default, the catalog save dialog box recalls the catalog accessed last, and click on OK. So we can use either create a new catalog or update an existing catalog, and hence the power copy will be stored in the catalog.